How is it going everybody? Mr. Android here. Welcome back to a brand new video on this channel. Well, this year I have featured a lot of amazing Android apps on this channel, and today I decided to show you some of the best ones that truly impressed me in 2025, and these are the apps that you should be downloading on your phone before the year ends. Guys, I'm sure you will end up installing at least a couple of apps from this video, so stay tuned and watch it until the very end. Also, let's aim for at least 1000 likes on this one. With that said, drop a like, leave a comment, and let's get started. Alright guys, starting things with our very own wallpaper application that I've been working upon with a talented developer, giving suggestions and feedback. It's called Screencraft, and this app has already crossed 30,000 downloads on the Play Store. So if you haven't already, then go ahead and check it out. It's an app where you can find some of the beautiful collection of wallpapers for your Android phone, and most of the wallpapers that you see on our videos are from the same app. Not just the wallpapers, but the whole interface of this app look really cool, which is actually inspired by the liquid glass design. In case you don't like this glass effect, you do get the option to change that as well. Apart from this, the app also has an explore section where you get some home screen ideas to further customize your phone, and the best part is you can also share your own setups with the community inside the app itself. Well, since the developer is super active, providing updates on a regular basis, there have been a couple of new features recently added. We now get the swipe gesture to browse between different wallpapers with ease, and just look at how smooth and fluid the app experiences. I mean, it has some clean animations, and if you hit on apply, you get this brand new option called 3D parallax, which instantly adds a really cool parallax effect to any wallpaper that you choose, and it works both on the home screen as well as the lock screen. Talking more about wallpapers, all these are high quality 4K wallpapers that are specifically designed to make your home screen and lock screen look absolutely stunning. Although the app is totally free to download, it does require you to get the premium version in order to unlock some exclusive wallpapers. But we do have a sale going on right now where you can easily grab the pro version at a whopping 50% discount. So I think it's a perfect time for you to completely unlock the full potential of this customization app. Go ahead and try this one out. All the links will be provided in the description below. At number 2, we have an app called Material Capsule. Nowadays, most Chinese phones have a feature similar to the dynamic island except for the Google Pixel and Samsung devices. So if your phone doesn't have anything like that and you really want to transform your phone's camera cutout into something more productive, then this app is perfect for you. One thing that I really liked about this application is that not only does it add a capsule around your front camera, but the design is also inspired by the Material 3 Expressive, which does look seamless and tailor-made for your Android phone. It adds that modern touch to the Android experience, so when you're playing music in any app such as Spotify or even YouTube Music, when you minimize and close the app, it goes straight into the punch hole, and when you expand it, you get media controls from where you can change the track, play or pause music with smooth animations. You can also control the intensity of your flashlight with the help of this capsule. In the app, you get ton of customizations as well. You can change the capsule color, customize the layout, choose different shapes for the album cover, add more shortcuts to the capsule, and do lot more. I know there are plenty of apps available on the Play Store which can replicate the dynamic island feature, but this one has that Material Expressive design which blends perfectly with the wallpaper, and it looks really good, especially when you're using a Pixel or Samsung phone. Definitely check this one out. Next up, we have an AI-powered daily planner app which goes by the name called Lifestack. This isn't just a to-do list, but it's more like a smart planner with an interesting approach. Now what's different about it is how it helps you build your day by creating routines with your energy levels in mind. It does that by gathering your health data from your phone and wearables that includes your sleep quality and pattern, activity levels, heart rate, and more such data to identify when you are most active and energized throughout the day. Then it suggests the best time when you can do certain tasks and improve your productivity. It doesn't just track your schedule, but it actually understands your body's natural rhythms and helps you work with them by planning your day more effectively based on your energy levels. So it schedules all your intensive heavy tasks during the time when you're more focused and energized, and allocates some lighter work when you're naturally sluggish. I mean, it basically helps you schedule your day with energy levels in mind by tracking your health data from your wearables and smartphone. Definitely check this one out. You will find a direct link in the description below. Next on the list, we have got a brand new customization app that has recently launched on the Play Store, and it's called Depth Wallpapers. This app gives access to some of the gorgeous looking wallpapers with the depth clock style that will literally transform your boring looking lock screen into a visual masterpiece. No matter if you're using a Samsung, Pixel or even a nothing device, now you can easily apply such gorgeous looking lock screen setups with the depth effect clock that looks absolutely stunning. All you need to do is simply browse through the wide collection of presets and select the one that you like to directly apply it to your lock screen. Just make sure you have removed the default clock style before setting it up on your phone. The best part is you also get the studio feature from where you can further customize and tweak the clock as per your requirement. Although the free templates are more than enough to spice up your lock screen, the app also offers the premium collection which can be unlocked with the pro version. All in all, I think it's a pretty cool application that completely transforms your lock screen, so be sure to check this one out. Next up, we have an app called Pixel Bookmarks. This is like your all-in-one social media bookmarking app where you can easily save everything in one place. So if you're tired of searching through multiple apps just to find something you saved but can't remember where it is, then this app is perfect for you. It basically allows you to save and manage bookmarks from any platform like YouTube, Instagram, X and more all in one place. The best part is you can save all bookmarks with detailed information including images and some extra info that will help you quickly locate whenever you want to. The app also has a collection section so you can add all your bookmarks in different folders, and it does make it a lot simple to organize and find later. Now what I really liked is that you don't even have to open the app in order to save a new bookmark. You can just tap on the share button and share directly from any app you have installed on your phone. I think the app is super useful. That also comes with a pretty clean design where you can save all your bookmarks in one place. Be sure to check this one out. Next up, we have got one of the most visually refined offline music players available for Android phone, and it goes by the name called Pixel Play. Again, this has a fully Material 3 expressive design with interactive animations, adaptive colors, and a layout that scales perfectly to match the overall aesthetics of your phone. Not just the looks and design, but it also has some amazing features built in. We have got the option to generate playlists using Gemini. It has lyrics support. You can customize the theme to further adapt to your system color. You can even adjust the corner radius to make every element more rounded, and the animations are extremely smooth and fluid. Honestly, it doesn't look like some third-party app, but more like a stock application which comes pre-installed on your Android phone. So if you're someone who loves the Pixel design language and you want to try a cool looking music player that perfectly matches with the Material 3 expressive, then you should go ahead and install this app on your phone right now. Next up, we have got this gorgeous looking icon pack that I'm currently using on my home screen, and this has been my go-to icon pack that I've used very frequently on most of my setups this year. As you can see, every single icon is beautifully crafted with a clean and modern approach. The bold lines and vibrant accents ensure each icon stand out, making our home screen look visually attractive. These icons go really well with both light and dark wallpapers, and when it was launched, there were only around 900 icons, but the developer is super active and we now have more than 4,000 icons, which can easily cover 90% of the apps you have on your phone. The best part is it also comes with a bunch of matching wallpapers, so you can customize and create some beautiful looking home screen setups. All in all, if you're into icon packs and customizations, then you should definitely give it a try. It will completely transform your boring looking home screen into something that looks more attractive. Next on the list is actually a browser, and it goes by the name called Arc Search. It's a modern AI-powered mobile browser you all have been waiting for. Unlike many other browsers on the Play Store, this one focuses more on getting you the most reliable answer much quicker without going through the clutter of the internet. As I said, it is powered by AI, so whenever you search anything within the browser, you get this Browse for Me option, and when you tap, it will actually scan all the web pages that show similar results and grab information to summarize it for you. so you can quickly see all the relevant information without having to go through different web pages searching for results. It will just gather all the important information and summarize it in one place. I think it's a pretty useful browser that provides the most accurate information quickly without any hassle. That's pretty much it for this video. These are some of the best Android applications that you need to download right now. If you guys liked this video, then be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. I am Mr. Android and I'll see you guys in the next one.